So welcome back everybody. Once again, this is Kevin from CSMI in Australia today, doing the long-awaited part 3 of the HIDROMEK. So thanks for your patience. I know there's a few requests to do this video, and here it is finally. So let's get straight into it. I'm using a Futaba FX32 today, which has been modified with two 3D joysticks so that we can handle the grab on this particular machine. I'm going to talk about the quick connect on this machine, which is just unreal, because historically when you have a quick connect, the operator would have to get out of the cab and then connect the hydraulic hoses. Now that's been completely eliminated because you can do everything from inside the cab in real life, and that has been replicated in this machine, and that's what I want to share with you. So let's get this thing a bit closer. The machine is switched on, so I'm going to switch my hydraulics on. There we go. Everything on this machine is so smooth, you'll probably see. Let me just bring the camera back a little bit so that you can see the movement of boom, the bucket, the stick, and you can see how smoothly it actually flows. So you go, it's very, very smooth in traveling. Now, this machine is fully hydraulic, which means the track and the car body rotation is also through hydraulics. So let me just get this down up here. Bring it to a comfortable position. Okay. And then come closer again with the camera. Okay, that's where I want it to be, so I can share everything with you from here. So, got the hydraulics off. Okay, so we got 4 hoses here. Let's see if I can get this into focus. Give me a sec, guys. Just trying to show it more clearly to everyone so you can see what I mean. Let's try to adjust the camera. Okay. Okay, that's better. So we got 4 hoses, and what these hoses do, they supply oil to the quick connect. At the same time, they're supplying oil to the tool, which means 2 hoses to open and close the grab, and the other 2 for rotation. The quick connect actually has its own hydraulic hose, one on either side. That is for opening, engaging, and disengaging. So now what I'll do is I'll show you the disengaging of the quick connect itself. So let's get the hydraulics on, and there you go. I'll bring the camera a little bit on a different angle so actually you can see the locking and the unlocking mechanism first, so you can see this. So there's a piston in there that locks and unlocks the quick connect. There you go. So now it's unlocked, and now when it's unlocked, I'm just going to shut the hydraulics. You'll always get a bit of oil leaking from it if the pump's running. So all you do is you lift it up and boom, it comes out. Now here's the second part I want to share with you. So let's pan the camera around. Okay, here we go. Let's see if we can get in focus. So these are the 4 oil ports from where the oil then comes in from the boom and enters into these 4 lines, which then takes it to the grab. It's all spring loaded, so the oil actually, when it's sitting, it won't really come off and leak. You can just keep the whole unit by itself. And then I'll share with you the other ports that is on the inside of the quick connect itself. Let me just spin the boom around a little bit so it's easier. Okay, bring this a little bit front, and then pan the camera again. Okay, so there you go. So these are the other ports from where the oil actually comes in and then goes into the quick connector itself. So very, very good design, very functional, very effective. I've never had any problems with this particular quick connect. I've been using this machine quite a bit now, and it seems to have the capability to do what it's supposed to do, and it also has the amount of solid rigid connection that's required to perform the function. Now obviously we can't put it this way because it's very hard to link it up. So one more thing I want to share with you, this is how it actually locks. So let's bring the camera again closer, and you'll probably see these pins that come out. Let's try to get it into focus. Okay, so these are the actual pins up here, guys. You can probably see that. It actually locks and keeps the quick connect in place. Okay, and then if you really want to actually take the tool out of the machine, the best way to do it is to actually put it into this shape, or this position rather, so that the machine, so that it can take its own weight and you're not struggling and fighting it. Okay, and then you lock it in. Once it's locked in, she's good to go. So bring it up here, and then I'm just going to show you this particular function, how I've set it up on the radio. It's a bit hard. So this particular knob is actually for rotation. See if I can squeeze this in. Give me a sec. And then you have this particular knob. It's going to be so hard to fit this in the screen. Is actually for opening and for closing. As long as I got the message and don't have this funny angle on the radio. Great. Alright, great. That's all we have for this video. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Goodbye.